With the moomoo app, you have access to free financial news. Simply tap on News from the tab bar to access financial news. These are taken from credible news outlets such as CNBC, Dow Jones News Wires, and moomoo News Team. If you'd like to read the news headlines related to the stocks in your watch list, just switch to Watch List related tab and use the filter function. Tap a headline to view the full article. For a headline posted by moomoo News Team, it includes many specific features. For example, you can tap the play icon to hear an audio recording. You can also comment, like, and share the post. Your command will appear in the end of the news page and can be viewed by other users in the moomoo community. And if you'd like to save the post to read it another time, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner and tap Save Post. The save posts will be found in the Me tab and you can check them out whenever you wish. Some headlines are integrated into special reports, which allows you to check out by subjects, such as earning highlights, market recap, and IPO buzz. If you're interested in any of these topics, you can subscribe to it. Company-specific news are available in the stock's detailed quotes page. Tap News to access recently updated news, and scroll down the page to display its public sentiment index, which is shown in color bar with a number that ranges between -100 and 100. Whenever you see a red dot prompted on the top right of the News tab, it indicates that there has been a new update. We have another useful feature to help you better track company-specific news. When you look at your watch list, you might be confused by the icons next to the ticker symbols. Why do they appear? Actually, each icon has a different meaning. You can tap the Settings button and tap Show Icons to check it out. For example, the yellow or red news icon indicates that there's a new update, and the message icon indicates there are new comments. Be sure to check it out so you don't miss our latest news updates.